If you're a vlogger, then this video is for you. What I've got here is the Rode Vlogger Kit USB-C edition, very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer for this video. No money's exchanged hands. I haven't been asked to say anything in particular, just to share with you my experience and opinion on this product. And we're going to get on straight away with the unboxing and see what you get included in this really interesting looking piece of kit. So this is what we get inside the box with the Rode Vlogger Kit. First of all, I will just mention you get this colourful outer sleeve. This shows the Vlogger Kit on the front with the phone in place and also the video light and microphone. Of course you don't get the smartphone, but it gives you an idea of how you're going to use this. And it basically works with most Android smartphones with a USB-C connection on them. If we take a look on the side of this sleeve, it tells you it's the USB-C edition. Also mentions it's for mobile filmmaking, professional quality, and it's got a directional sound pickup on the microphone. On the back here it does also list all of the components included. So as well as that outer sleeve, you do also get an inner box which is going to contain all of these products. So we've got the SmartGrip first of all. This is what you're going to use for your smartphone, and you can basically make this bigger by turning this control knob on the top. There are rubberized pieces in here to protect the edges of your smartphone, and you're going to clamp your smartphone into the SmartGrip. And then the SmartGrip has also got threaded mounts on it for attaching accessories. It's also got a cold shoe on the top for attaching the little tiny video light. Now, talking about the video light, this is the video light that's going to attach to the top of here. If we take a look at this, there is a little compartment on the side which opens, which reveals a USB-C connector. That's used for recharging the video light. There's also a button on the top for turning the video light on and off. And you can see it's a nice bright video light. And you press the hold to turn that off again. Very, very effective this, especially if you are recording in less than optimal lighting conditions. And then we've got this connector on the bottom, which allows you to either connect it to the Vlogger Kit, or you could indeed use this on top of your GoPro, for example, or another type of camera. You could use this with another camera, but it's destined to use with the Vlogger Kit, so it's going to sit on top of the SmartGrip mount. Included with this, you do also get this front cover, and this holds these sort of gel type or plastic filters in place. And this is going to allow you to either diffuse the light with this one, or add a warmer tone, a green tone, all different colours included inside this little box. Very, very cool that they include this. A very useful accessory kit. I think that fits in like so, and so you can store this and carry it around with you. It just clips onto the front of the little tiny light here. And then you also get a little tiny microphone. So this is a directional microphone that's going to clip directly onto the side of your smartphone and connect via USB-C. It's the VideoMic Me USB-C edition, and it also comes with this sort of wind filter. And it goes in like so. So this is going to be used for stopping any wind noise coming into the audio alongside your videos. These are quite difficult to use with smartphones because unless you've got it tucked right out of the way, if you're using a wide angle lens, you've just got to be careful these don't come into the video frame. But a very good USB-C microphone that's going to really improve the quality of the audio in your videos. And then last but not least, you have got this, which is a tabletop mini tripod. You can also put all these legs together and hold it like a little mini sort of selfie stick. We've got a ball head on the top here, so you can turn this round and thread this onto the bottom of the SmartGrip, which is going to hold your phone in place. You could also use this for a small camera as well, so multiple uses with this little tiny tripod. It's a really good quality tripod as well. You can turn this, which loosens off the ball head, so you can get the ball head in all different angles. It's just a really nice tabletop tripod, a really good quality one at that. Let's just set that off to the side. So this is the Rode Vlogger Kit USB-C edition is going to really help you to increase the production quality of the videos you're shooting with your smartphone. I can certainly highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. Please also do check out the link down there to the Rode website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.